fucking on me, man! Has anyone got any idea what we're going to do with these fuckers? Any motherfucker... Oh, I don't care, motherfucker. I reckon we shot him and punch those out because he used to be a red boy. Oh, you want to fucking Freddy boy as well? Fuck you, Brad. No, mate. We got some fishing rods with some lovely little deep sea fishing hooks on the end. I've lost my voice, but this is going to be ripped out of my fucking blood. Do you want to see us go fishing? What do you fuck you into? Put your visit date. I mean, you're here, you're in Maya. We go fishing for one another. Alright, we've dedicated this time to Steve Elliott. Shall I go and mow your hand? You can go and mow your face, man. I'm fucking him. Alright, this time we can play for a bit. We're going to get a hot tub. Hot tub with nowhere to go. Smoky crack with Jack Chirac. I got cookie red. Check me out. What's the kitchen out for these? Waking up. That's your Uncle Patrick's crazy throne. You know, are we going to translate those pages? You want to see look at the two? By the way, we're comedians now. Get over there, you fucking prick! You ready? I want a time delivery. Okay, I've got all these crap on the end of my line. I think you'll find this 2-pack. 2-pack? I'm going so fucking do. Come on. Stop rowing for the crowd, you see the hug in your ear. Music. Turn it away, they'll kick you in the fucking bollocks and flip. I'm so big, I put the fucking in the eye. These fuckers out, so please! I thought you was rolling them, you bitch shit! And Sanchez, we'll count that from 5. 4, 3, 2, 1!